Welcome to the Milano Cooking Show, and we are fast approaching the holidays. Thanksgiving is right around the corner, and Christmas and Hanukkah and blah, blah, blah. So what do we do with a leftover turkey? Turkey tetrazzini, turkey sandwiches, turkey whatever. So I made this fabulous little nugget. Look at this. I saw it actually on TikTok or something. I thought, you know what, I better try it before I make it for the fam, and it's really good. And so I did kind of a version where, you know, I didn't have extra turkey, I had leftover ham. I had leftover stuffing, I had cranberry, and so I made this little nugget, and it is so tasty. I can't even tell you. I mean, really, watch the recipe. Tell me how you love it. I can't wait to hear all of your replies. Reply. Watch this. Okay, Milano family, we're gonna do something for our leftover Thanksgiving turkey. So I'm kind of compromising. I'm testing to see if it's gonna work. So I'm kind of compromising a lot here. So I have actually leftover ham, leftover stuffing, and we have our little croissant sheets here. So let's just pop one of these open. All right, so we're supposed to take out these sheets gently without them breaking apart. And we're going to put them, the larger part, toward the center. So hopefully this is going to be working out for us, but we're not quite sure. So we're going to start off with the top, bottom, left, and right. So then we're going to take the next four and we're going to put them like this. This little end broke off from somewhere. We're not quite sure. This end we're going to put here, and we're going to go like this. Okay, so now it's in a little bit of a star, okay? So I'm going to open up another of these cans, and they've been sitting out on the counter just a little bit, so they're a little sticky, so I'm not quite sure. But we're going to... Okay. So what I recommend right off the bat is take these crescent rolls out of the fridge right before you're going to use them, because they're too limp if you're going to wait as much time as I did. But you know what? We're artistic. We're going to make it happen. So then once we have this made like this, okay, then we're going to take our compromised ham, which is not turkey. So just think about it. If you have leftover turkey, you're going to just add it on here. We're going to time lapse this, obviously, because you don't want to be bored sitting watching me do this. And we can have a little gravy in the end. So we're going to put this around. And I also took some cranberry out. So I'm putting the stuffing on now. Then I'm going to put a little cranberry on it as well. And then we're going to roll it up. Okay, and then let's put a little bit of the cranberry. I'm going to slice. I'm going to slice little pieces. And I'm going to gently add it on. Now we're going to take the pointy parts like this. We're going to lift it up. And if any of the pieces of the croissant have kind of torn, all you need to do is mesh them together. And we're going to tuck it right underneath. We're at the end here. Oh my gosh, this is looking great. Oh. And the last little piece, we're going to lift and tuck it over. So in the end, you've created this beautiful, look at this. Fabulous, right? So now I'm going to do, I've got the oven that's going. I always like to keep it at a cool 350. When I start to go 375 or 400, it tends to burn. So I don't want to burn it. I'm going to put a little egg wash on it. And I'm going to put it in 350. I'm going to say for about 20 minutes or so. So we're going to take this, but look, oh my God, You can even put sesame seeds on top, maybe poppy seeds, numerous things that we can do. Anyway, so I'm going to do a little egg wash off camera, and then I'm going to pop it in the oven, and so we're going to be right back. All right, so I just took this little fabulous nugget out of the oven. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my God. So anyway, so for the leftover turkey Thanksgiving thing, let's go Christmas thing, whatever, I think it's a winner, but do you think we should take a taste? I think we should. Hold on. Look at this, it's so good. Oh, let's just see, we're gonna take a little taste right here. Oh my God. It's so, I'm gonna go with, it's so gratifying. Love it. Okay, so, the recipe is down below. Taste it. Tell me how you love it. I'm dying to hear. It's so good. So anyway, we'll see you hopefully in the showroom, or we'll definitely see you on the next episode of the Milano Cooking Show. We will see you then.